Alright, what's going on YouTube? So that is the new vehicle for the channel, which may be very temporary. Haven't made a video yet. It's a 2019 Chevrolet Bolt EV. Got this from Carmax, a little over 22,000 miles. It's been a very good so far. Put about 600 miles on it. And it's been really good. But as you can see here, inside is super clean. A little over 22,000 miles. I think it was 22.3-ish when I got it. But super clean. I did get these WeatherTech floor mats for it already, for the front and back. I get windows tinted next, but fortunately, Carmax has yet to provide me with the document for the used EV tax credit. This vehicle was under $25,000, so you get a $4,000 tax credit for those of you that are not aware. And they have not provided me with that document yet, so it may be going back. They only have a couple more days, and still kept the Prius that I do a little runs with. It's a 2013 Toyota Prius. So great car, no complaints. So yeah, we'll see. But so far the car's been good. I've been getting about 4 miles per kilowatt. Yep, so we'll see. I've been getting about 4 miles per kilowatt, 4 to 4.5, and it's just starting to warm up. So it's been like in the 50-degree weather. So, but so far been a great car.